Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am at Marposs India booth and we are in the demo room. I have with us Mr. Jatin Batra from Marposs India. Hi, Jatin. How are you?
Hello, Dinesh sir.
Yeah, good to meet you in your
Same.
demo room. So, Jatin, two things quickly. One, more about you. What do you do? What sort of products you represent? B, what are you showing me today?
Yeah. Hello, everyone. My name is Jatin Batra. I am working in Marposs, India, the gauging and testing department. I am looking over the machines and the non-contact based contact solution. Here, this is a machine for the Optoflash. You can see this is non-contact based.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see there is an infrared rays. You can see the blue rays, in which you can see the component is locating between the two centers,
Okay.
and you have to just move the program and just run the start cycle,
Okay.
and the measurement will be acquired in few seconds, like 2 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, depending on the number of the parameters.
Okay.
Maximum it can take 15 seconds to check the only the one component.
Okay.
That means you can do a lot of production in very short time.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see we have measured the various diameters, various shafts, various runouts, various lengths. We can measure also the keyway in these type of gauges. There are the various type of the gauges in our product catalog. You can see one is the Opto. You can see here the Optoflash 200.
Okay.
There are the various phone models also, XS100, X10, X20, X60.
Okay.
That means you, depending upon the application, we can share you the your portfolio, and we can share you the product depending upon your the range.
Okay.
Yeah, these are the very good products, and you can measure all the type of shaft components like the camshaft, crankshaft, and normal shaft. You can also measure the fasteners. You can also measure like in the dental industries also. We can also use for this like dental teeth, etc. We can also measure the profiles of the teeth here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Batra, automotive, medical industry. Apart from this, which all are the industry which you see a potential user of this machine or technology? Which all industry, or this only too much industry?
No. You can see in the automobile or the normal fasteners that we can use in the daily use.
Correct.
We can use this to check the fasteners of that daily use also. We can check every type of fastener, every type of the shaft, whether it is from the automotive industries or the non-automotive industries, like compressor shafts, rotor shafts are there. We can also measure that these types of shafts are also.
And the software is inbuilt in the machine and everything.
Yes,
You
yes.
plug and play.
Yeah, you just need to keep the move the center up.
Okay.
You just remove the component. You have to note another component. Then need to press the start cycle, and you can measure the component in the fastest way.
And in terms of service, after let's say somebody bought this machine, so you give sales, service, after support, and training as well. How does this?
Yes, we will provide, once we will sell the equipment, we will provide the training to their operators, their staff, to how to run the machine and how to do the programming of it. If they will capable of it, they will do, or we will support every time once they required. We can there is no maintenance, zero maintenance cost, because there is no moving component. You can see there is no moving component. We just need to start the cycle. Only the motor is rotating, and the component is rotating, and we can check all the type of measurements here.
And let's say how long this machine can go. Let's say in factories they work in shift by shift. So let's say if I am a automotive guy and I'm using this machine, it can run 24 hours, or let's say
You can run the machine 24/7. This is not an issue.
Okay.
24/7 into 365 days. That's not an issue. There is no, I can say there is no limitation of this object, because it's a camera-based object.
Okay.
And there is no load of it.
So if you are looking for measurement solution, do reach out to Mr. Batra, Jatin Batra from Marposs, India. And thank you, Jatin. It was great to meet you.
Yeah,
and
thank
I want
you.
to say something in Punjabi. Milde aasi text to.
Changa.